Hi everyone, myself Kavya Sharma and I have been working in the content marketing space for more than 11 years. And today I am going to talk about two very basic but most important concepts of content marketing. Number one, clarity. Your content should be clear and easy to understand. Even a 5th standard child should be able to understand your content. Second, and the most important one is 5 W's and 1 H. Number one, your content, you should have the clarity who is going to be the target audience of your content. Why are you going to create the content that you are creating? What form of content you would create? Will it be blogs, essays, articles, social media posts? What content? Where will you publish your content? Which channels you leverage? Which platforms you will go to? And when will you publish your content? What would be the frequency of your content posting? And last but not the least, how you're going to portray or position your content? Will it be informational content? What would be the tone? Or it be a conversational form of content? So all these kind of elements help your content reach the right kind of audience and help the audience resonate with your content. So next time you create your content, just go ahead with these two concepts in mind and it will help you deliver the results that you seek out of your content. For more such concepts, stay tuned.